Come along. We have a lot to show you. Florida Family Insiders. Every day is an adventure. Where are we today? Today, we will be taking you on a magical tour of London in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Diagon Alley in Universal Studios, Orlando, Florida. Diagon Alley opened in July 8th, 2014. It features a bit of Muggle London, the Night Bus, Diagon Alley, Knockturn Alley, and the Hogwarts Express at King's Cross Station. Over on Islands of Adventure, they have Hogwarts, Hogsmeade Village, and the Hogwarts Express station that takes you between the two. They are full of shops, places to eat, and stages for performances. It is a beautiful day. So, let's explore. As you cross into Diagon Alley from London, the atmosphere changes pretty drastically. You become totally immersed in the wizarding world. It is both beautiful and dramatic. There are so many details to see, and it's fantastic.
As well as video recordings, if you must. In fact, a brief photograph is preferable to
Here at Gringotts Money Exchange, you can exchange your Muggle money for banknotes that can be used inside the park, and meet a goblin bank teller. Speaking of Gringotts, walking in you see the Wizarding Bank prominently, with its Ukrainian iron belly dragon sitting atop, guarding the famed monetary institution. If you're lucky and the wind is low, you can hear the dragon roar, and you know it's time to look up and see them breathe fire. This is one of the most photographed areas of the park, and with good reason. It's absolutely magical. Diagon Alley is exactly where you need to be to get all of your wizarding gear, featuring famed shops such as Borgin and Burke's, wands by Gregorovich, Madame Malk's robes for all occasions, Magical Menagerie, Weasley's Wizard Wheezes, quality Quidditch supplies, and Wiseacre's wizarding equipment. You will have all a wizard's needs in one convenient location. Or catch a show.
Constantly looking to perfect our artist trend.
Attention, by order of the Ministry of Magic, due to unforeseen circumstances, we must insist that all non-essential activities within Diagon Alley cease at this time.
Surely they didn't mean us.
That means you. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you, everyone.
If you want a wand, but do not have the time for a wand choosing ceremony, or if you just know which one you want, Wands by Gregorovich is your place. You can find chocolate frogs at Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. There is a darker area of the park, hidden from plain sight, Knockturn Alley. This is where you can find Borgin and Burke's, and some of the darker spells in the park. It is very dim in there, so be careful walking in from a sunny day, and let your eyes adjust. Borgin and Burke's address is 13B Knockturn Alley and is owned by Mr. Borgin and Mr. Burke. The shop specializes in unusual antique wizarding artifacts and is generally known as a nefarious place. Everywhere you look, there are spells to cast and things to do. This is outside of Floridaskew's ice cream parlor, and it is known for their specialty ice creams, including butterbeer ice cream, orange marmalade, toffee, Earl Grey and lavender, and sticky toffee pudding ice cream, among others. When visiting the Magical Menagerie, make sure to stop by and say hello to Nagini. Not many people wander in this quarter, but it is worth your time, as she is enchanted with parcel tongue, so you can understand her. It is often crowded in Diagon Alley. With so much to see, you can understand why wizards and muggles alike spend a lot of time there. If you prefer a bit more quiet, you can try early opening, early morning, or later in the evening for less crowds. It's a different experience entirely, and both are wonderful. It looks like our dragon friend is going to put on another show. It is not scheduled, as a dragon does what they want, but it's impressive either way. The Leaky Cauldron is a great place to get breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I absolutely love the peach fizzing tea, which is only available on this side of the park. There's so much more in Diagon Alley that we did not cover. If you're interested in something, let us know, and we'll include it in a future video. There's still so much more to see. It's hard to believe that this area used to be the Jaws ride. It is one of my favorite places to stroll with a cool peach fizzing tea from the hopping pot. You can make a call to the Ministry of Magic in the phone booth, or grab a jacket potato from the London Taxi Hut stand. The Night Bus is a triple-decker AEC Regent 3 RT that helps wizards that become stranded in the Muggle world. All you have to do, if you're a wizard who needs a ride, is stick your hand in the air like you're hailing a taxi. In Universal, the Night Bus is stationary, but has all the character you would expect. If you go around back, you will find the back entrance, which lets you get a peek into the bus itself. Around the front, you can meet the conductor and drayhead to get pictures or have a nice chat. The Eros Fountain from Piccadilly Circus is absolutely beautifully detailed and another great place to take photos or relax. Here in London, you will find Grimmauld Place 12, which is the ancestral home of the Black family and is protected by Fidelius charm so that muggles cannot see it. It became the headquarters of the Order of the Phoenix, and sometimes you can see something special in the window. Hi, creature. The wizarding world of Harry Potter has some of the most beautiful theming in the entire park, and is truly magical. There are so many details we couldn't cover in just one video. So, if you enjoyed and want to see more, let us know in the comments. As always, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you in the parks. Bye-bye for now. As always, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think of this video in the comments, or if there is somewhere you think we should cover next. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more Florida Family Insiders fun. Until next time.